How to delete call history on Messenger. So the first step is by opening the Messenger app, and then, um, unfortunately, Messenger still doesn't have an option in which you may be able to delete all the call history all at once. So what you're going to do is to simply delete the calls one by one. For example, I have the history right here. So I'll just simply press and hold into that history and click on unsend right here and click on unsend for you. Click on unsend and then there you go. You have deleted your call history. So again, Messenger still doesn't have an option in which you may be able to delete all the call history with a single button or all at once. So that's it. That's how you can delete call history on Messenger. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.